Right, we say for a brasso. But you can come afa o my Ghana ho. And I no pay you and mo beka yen ho mo do madagye o mo bre. Mo nyansa na mo nimdie ne do mo do my Ghana ntine from no maba. Ti hu mo sa na enso ye ni age pa. Yenua Horace Ankra, formerly no UK Ireland chairman NDC. Enne di dwuma ya enne wabeso Ghana. Minim say Christmas okosra ne nkrofo Horace ukoye.
Christmas na me wa.
Wo ha say. Ye no na di e. Okay. Enti no na betwetwe nkomo sa so na ya yenua Honorable Patrick Boamane namfo pa ben no mfre ne yawo. Honorable lawyer ni osan so MP Okaikwe Central Constituency. Honorable ni di dwuma pa Honorable Akwaba. Na minim ne enti omo nyina hye white. Se Ghana na edi nkunimu se second na ye di ye no so ntio. But 144 no betumi di wadwo nchira ba na sema ye ka no emiensa. Yedi kan no ye beka mi bi kakra afa ye ball no ye ko sei. Munim se Ghana ye mfa ball ni agro kra. O my yes football is our passion. They say ye mfa ball ni agro. Is the passion of the nation sana ye kan wa say. Na mi bi so mo say no mu hu ne sei. De ye na ye sanke we ne ya nka na be ye. Now ya tese ye say kan ye dundum no. Anhwa ebema cement ho ayeden. Enu ye kokobo, enu ye alert. Nti ye betena ho ama na ye den so ampa na because a short means say ye betum a few betu dem dan we see ya change still or betum fe ye nya bi kura mfa nya bibi na maybe sase ye betena ho ama na ba na because last year bro almost started so mo boy kokosa akoso mbo bewi metena fidie so ka say ye be ya me ya ne awerho pa ne say ye betena ho na ya kasa akoso mbo awenti afidi ye kodudum so yetena ho so ma no beduru ya mpa sisi nso ye say anhwa cement ebe short because of adenti. Now talking about dumso 6th March you see groups binum so mo kan buma ye dumso demonstration ehun hia anase ehun hia na se demonstration na de megawas ni beka ho ana no be sha ban ma ban hu se afidi ye ni abre already no ye ni abre dada enti ye bisa se ehun hia na o mampani se bebe ye kwa kodui die aje say kane ano ye ne nsope ye sonso no kakra nti mu amofo se power na ye de abrem nti wi su se de ope no mampani se ye nsonso no kwan be ne be fa so be sonso no ye wo energy conservation policy na regime bi da ho a ye hwe se wo se obi ade ye adwuma na se wa anya ye twena so ana se ye kiri bi afri no ho ana se ye afutuo kwa mo be ye amonye munyai eno ya sema mpese be bisa binom so mampani wo hwe ne scandal animu also mampani ohia mwa if say Flagstaff house enkoyie if say onti ase se nansen yet hu sa beti aye say chief of staff okra say afedi chief staff mu no resign then we say Dr. Remuna Tuguba executive secretary to the presidency oko Owura Doche Malo oko ayo mo bre na aso ana se bibi na asi hu na yete no bibi na ho ana bia mpanimfo omunim hu bibi o betumi aka kire ba quickly ye ni kan ka enura ye ne Cote d'Ivoire football boy Horace and now share ball no be me da be say 12 midnight because we na mintimen na o da utimi da ho
me minchia Ghana for enra me share ball ni bi and me gidi say yetimi do finals and kwa de na in a way na a form of improvement me share ball na kasanso no o share Cote d'Ivoire for players binuma ewo mu ana me feel say won be high adwen pa no the way your players ne be it me containing wo mo we had born in say and
Toure for no
they were very quiet on the night I just said na your teamwork na yeah unfortunately no penalties you know and I just say Ekobana sa me yakakra say yetumi ehwi we were two up.
Yeah
I just say inyina no
we were 2 up and went 2 down
yes but you said just before the match in an interview no na Ivory Coast one more coach no say one more mental strength any day one more dey
ebe dinkunemu
no say that was what actually made them champions but I find say ball no teamwork ne kick on me say Ghana yeah will team you betimi maintain and make sure say in the future no abo modern chain sene esiba no no me no I wouldn't criticize womo too much me just say or say e ball mabaso say we want to do finals no do finals na one side happen a bit me win but me just say we have certain decisions any nyoma bi no ma e koye no in you fit intra the way in this country no you criticize it in yama and the way our criticisms no inform certain decisions I ever. What you say?
Typical with me example be na.
Oh yes, a typical example is ofa obi say Asamoah uncle to penalty bi mu no. In your feet the way I criticize it
but no obi a injuncted no. Ono an also onye.
Thank you very much.
I was so take his position no. As a footballer.
No, maybe ain't you know say the way I criticize it no and I no decided say uncle to penalty bi man. Who is the team manager? You insist. When him do embrace to be crap na your presence crap on the pitch as a captain and crap intimidates the other side no. It inspires crap side no. And it's an only decision of crap na because of certain criticisms inform certain decisions in now. Team manager, coach, whatever you says, you be there. Captain, take one. Yes, it's not somebody and if a crop by or share an idea.
Yeah.
Achu, to me, the best player. Yeah. You know, Achu or Wanka, or Bashan idea. No two ways about that. Or Bashan idea. Nipa crop is not Achu, as a penalty. No. Having said that, no, all in all, we just say, as a team, no boys, no,
then a bit me, Siama. Team ya share first 2 kicks. Third and fourth. Now you miss it.
Mental capacity. Mental. Also, and I make sure.
I didn't think mentally me rather than encouraging. Say already no. Ya share 2. Or lose 2. So it's like I feel quite ya win inti yen fan tumpre kona yen silly deal no.
Na ni pe di mo ni mo no. General na edi mo ni mo no. I say me into penalty. When you say, "I know crap will be me affect you before for crap will jump back," you see, these are some of the things. Oh, yeah.
Say, me kutuna so me say na here.
You criticize it in a way. I'm an I affected take decisions.
But what I say, everyone agree because in every country, our play football, you enjoy. We a coach, you be do atem. We a player, you be do atem. A bank crowd open so. You be lose no, you be do atem. Ndi say obi e be ka say okay President Mahama or say okay dum so ye di matem do democracy say e kan ya no kra no me nko ho biem. And say na ye ne nke be ha adwen pa o.
And then e chere say obi betime bi say question say in no football and answer sports and then religion and what you say a religion and amafo to me do mo hu nyina e shem sa. And he tells you the level of sports crap no it to me eka or my a boom and I say etiti or mine. What you say? And to me, Judy say, Blasters, who says and the team no, they have a future. Men, don't forget to say, you can say, coach, no, some say, oh, buy 1 month
some so buy up and foul more,
buy another foul more a call, yeah. And to know your mother when you are time.
That's what the bear 2 months.
Your mother when you are time. Young say team here who says, and if you ma youngsters and qua, you're making sure say they play as a team. And then me just say the future is bright.
Yeah, and now to me should be.
Kevin, TK Mecha no wait for the constituency for Mobi Archie. And now me should be.
Okay.
Send me on him manage the ball on sports in general. Na Oshe mental strength will be akana. Senegal 92 ACA 11-10. Oba World Cup quarterfinals, Ghana, Uruguay, your captain. On Shanienko, or over the bar. And Asensi. Ultimately, say, a idea, a repeating no home. Into a one department, I was going forward, no. Obia in charge of our national team. Obe building the mental strength and focus of our players throughout the game.
But Honorable Sobe Kaya, after a Uruguay for match, no. I think there were politicians announced me nipa etiti bi owoka so Ghana ye hia say ye hwesa department na ba penalty sa from Uruguay to Sabre no Aside money yenye anase referee anase say.
Ani nyina ewo football administrators no say any technical team abribia ye de be attach national team no. Hwe the 23 players na koy emu 12 omo Nations Cup da.
Yeah.
Yako finals by 9, you win mu 4 in the past 33 years.
Yeah.
Egypt akomu by 9, omo win 7. Into Osha, your problems kakra. Team where ikitai, yes, a young team, omo ya there, but your problems in certain departments of the team. One, goalkeeping. I'll see a sheni you're not too comfortable with our goalkeeper. Yeah, you ball na check kakra. Midfield no, Osha omo intimate tournament no, ultimately say a okay kakra. Defense, central defense, you were a little bit of a problem. As a Mojan, when you need time, or just about 3 to less than 3 years to captain the team. And then she said, "Yeah, they to her, yeah, they build a national team to stand the test of time." Yeah, may suggest it. A few days to say. Immediately, Yemfa national under 23 team no, Emma sa technical team way. Now, mom build a strong meteors. Osha 2010 World Cup now, yeah, they were South Africa no. They are you, Jonathan Mensah, any boys are almost call a World Cup, echo winning, Ajman Bedumo. And no, intimidate the infuse and inject into the national team. And mom here, the echo bomb home modern war, South Africa. Into a per continuity, near per replacement. Yeah, they be building team now. They be tighten certain screws in certain departments of the game. Yo, Bernard Mensah, Isaac Donko, young players. Almost born modern war. The elite divisions were Portugal, Spain, Belgium, Holland. Young team no ma Avram Grant, and name as Oknedu. No more building a strong under 23 side. Even your goalkeeper, meaning say, or you're over 23. So you didn't be call. More now you team up building another brigade of a strong national team. First, your national teams no, baby and I'm managing who pay under 20s. Michael Simon, yeah, there. Nana you team Thomas Bachumu, Bans, Isaac Precon. Yeah, graduate Aban, Meteors, Augustina Info, Banini, Usha Australia 93. That team no, Anna. Edibaya Samuel Seko for money idea. The team develop here. Inti any say football administrators, president, Kwesi Nyantechi, ne George Free more Blaster management team. Their focus should be shifted there to build a strong meteors and a good satellite team. Then find augmenting your defense no, your goalkeeping, and your striking pair because Osha, your striking pair and makeshift. Whereas a tembiano, you ya comedy as a marginachi, malaria china, your problem. Opera, your problem. Inti, to me,
fast more penalty.
Your problem. One time and drive a car. Bicycle beyond so new, a 9 back on a riding. Inti tembiano, I will see a good bench, a good team relies on its bench. So we need bencher. Chelsea or Mulidi English League, no. It all depends on the strength of their bench. You see, your best substitution are too obvious. When you say ye Kwesi Appiah Freeman, Jordan Nebeba. When you say Asamoah Nama, Kwesi Appiah and Jordan Nebeba. You build the teams, sir. They also tend to be a bench near strong and robust. Say be obi obebiano, obey to me I replace you no amaya results. One thing I may observe here and run to say. Yeah, ma Kwesi Appiah Jina game no too much.
O cheredo.
No
wa yira che.
No wa yira che.
So still no wom.
Inti na ye Asamoah and click into share extra time now. Jordan by na you could see some changes. But Greek for say case they be seeing but going forward no I will see it to me boys na ba so my idea omo tie nim. Bebre na ni ho Emma almost had a chance to say they could go that far after losing to Senegal in the opening game. Almost to me, I call my name, and now any ball could do finals. What's quality wise? Boca goalkeeper no Ivorian goalkeeper no ochi 06 ebeche finals bi omni Zambia omni Egypt omni zoo penalties or he was the same guy wako World Cup couple of times o hwe goalkeeper na o dey
me cry say yes na say anka me cry maintain dimpo da
o dey Yaya Toure Kolo Toure mo o ma World Cup Nations Cup countless times Wilfred Bony, Gavino, they are top-class players. But if you're player to player, they were ahead of us. Yeah. They were the favorites to win and they won. But I know Che said we have something to keep and maintain. You be World Cup qualifiers. You be starting Nations Cup. I'll say honor. You refocus. You copy and best supporting team to augment their effort. You be my basso my idea. Ghanaians are generally disappointed. But Nyamine him.
Yeah, sport kicks in you. Corner kick in you. Long shots in you. Ebi asanima we see na nanka ye wo ahoden wo ho a kaboro kran ke no penalties no. Sport I'm talking about ye benya free kick ye bo a na akofa soro ba bi ana na abo player na bounce back. And me ref one of the players or boy a couple pool there was nobody and Oben wa
nkobetumi rebound
rebound obetumi aka him ye corner ye boy enyehu bia just an ordinary wakaso on about 3 or 2 occasions or bobo na or try long shot then am so ankoye gago de no bi.
Those are areas and also new technical team no almost no polishing it up because see the free kick to ball to box echi that's a message na ho Gareth Bale jina ho Ronaldo jina ho unim say 90% a bit me ahye they see no sport kicks your corner kicks edu baby na Jordan to corner wakaso Bobby your problems kakra until see it me build the team no up
well
regard
I was for 7 year can I hope say technical for the mumo adwuma no ba ya ye tie chira da gine anya me technical team we so nkiri mbo mu kakra and then wutia no pay some ya kanka out say so cry the team ni my betimi dia ko ba bi kakra enti muntie na momfa anya adwuma na me ko bi na manka bi die me ko du na sa ko we de wo ye bad papa sa ko divu afo coach na no so se tricks so se dey obey no ho no ono an enim
so say honorable kai no inya experience on say edru ono no so na owa be take penalty no for some time now I say
why say the wire
no we probably it reduces the pressure on him. Oh, wenum nyina no yesua wenum nyina no eyade a enti no not just the
it is a cannon na ye kotumrika itako na nipa na no betu timisha da 250 meters bi no asen abanachi na ohuri koso no oba no
enti no emrepi no megidi say ehunhia but unim ohwe I don't know the number of times I watch blasters for training. Yeah, me just say one more training there.
Oh, I'm not bored. No,
yes. Reducing pressure near there. Osha blasters for training and then kick on. If you say you also come. I've never watched blasters training. Even say they take a free kick. We take a free kick. To bed behind the wall and then in training. I say one more. In the BBC on say the attempts no I've never seen them do that before but having said that me just say your team well surprisingly no this time no so share your players as well one more and so wakra
there be
gonna the days now
you need stout no
now the shortest person na you cry a free
okay
apart from Pokefedo Bia so
but there was Stanley Abrazo so no so no
okay
but see the skills any side obi wa Messi on what so to me free say obi or 6 footer into end there
well you can't the two who say any ball but you hear say the name be so kan ho nti ero ne aka no bi na kan kwa me say they aba momfa nka mo coaching we dey hu nti ye wi ball na e be kan ye dum so ho asem Oris power crisis to cause cement shortage and the newspaper be a reporting to da e ba say newspaper for no when say business news na report here or senior basa because of sa power cut here. 2, it's a concerned Ghanaians almost a demonstration on the 6th of March, and a Ghana Independence Day. No more say dear, I didn't add 24/12 dear. Let's just say young citizens and provided 24 mile. Na ECG and I buy and I say utility companies on my 12. Interestingly, when what happens, say I no pay me free fee. Say you fan say you dumuno and you remember kono say you dumuno. So most on channel pa me I have no use of it apart from say be a fridge be a best so when you because me ni fie my use. Now over top our office no what to be so o fie. Ti say we talk fuel o the big generator office mu no generator o fie generator off baby better. That is what is happening now. In Tiaman force there be see I didn't there this a be home demonstration. President calls for power conservation. We share the Daily Democrat no say power don't know best some bibia na enti ye ni nkomo kakra na power he said there won so said you see hu no me hu said there e bia na wo there nkan papa
to be honest, me this power crisis no be organizers here enkano.
Hey, we dey nra say bia meti. I was say what is the nkan. Nra say bia meti say fugu bo okosropa because na manfo tugu so moto because any watch and wear. Wo fire happen na dey bututu na wo
Oh, surprisingly no fugu so by this time no so at least I was say would be before so kaka. I'm say bibi obeshe bia no say I say presentable depending on bia maybe I but today power crisis no enye bibia me di say ye wo Ghana ni bi say sia sabi affect no say o mampeni crap witimi aka say ya de pa ha na adua na je say I affect obia and I say na obi edi agro or say ne ye can say a WhatsApp message around say obi a hwe na onto ne tade ana say because e bobo ni wi apa
ombedum
no Ukraine me kwapo won bobo wi na me so me fi say oh akwai so we dey no can you use the situ and ata
omudum
no amba anope ansam ififie enti ha adwen ndwuma say amanfo eduane say amanfo nso sabio bibia obeye bia no ebin mo hosesi ana me fan say power crisis inti no oni de ni da so bia enti no eyade a ha adwen papa enti no me gidi say sesi ano edun pempenso bia ohwe ade ni din a obisa won say one na nka no kre enche Ghana for so
yenya hu ni pakro
one na nka no kre enche Ghana for and say why pana onye ono the part also play no to making sure say power crisis is etwa
se me suggest chiro say omo power industry no onim be ya adwen say omo yes grid co na ECG na VR for no omo nyina na dikan na say energy ministry no omo na omonye omadwuma ya onum be ya adwen na
me no be ya adwen in the sense say setting bia no me bo show so me catch you say the problem is always in the middle ya ma yeti so do yeti na ya maso no na che say ya dey hwe omampeni but when we start seriously to look at one more in finfin ho and what there was a one more no even crap letting us know what is actually happening no and then you be do baby hwe omampeni there oye obi a me fan say power say e be a communication there won't mean sisi no enti it's a power say no he will always rely on the information and sabi ye de ba betunedi na ono so ide omampeni na ono so aka kire ye enti no akoye te say nia oka bibia sabi on kind of crime but that is not what one can describe as political dishonesty the person or no ma Ghana for bibi to say political dishonesty the technocrat now oshe hona sabita franchise omba out and because this is the problem
but say fancy the ayo baako ye de ayo mienu at least say also hunu say baby ade no kono e bedu point bi ye de be hye it reminds me of Bible Nebuchadnezzar say de bia mo ba no bedada me e bia mo ba no mo be da me na mo se dae a osun ye see then embem. Now I want you to tell me the dream, then I will tell na mo nka interpretation nka ho enti na nka wo se nka mo mpani hu se da bi ya ye me 1 ya ye me 2 na no ikura ya o se adenta nsuo be 1 month ni aba be twice. I'm saying this here. I see nsuo no be yira fire no. That is the problem. Meanwhile, he had been told to say you better pump it 20 million a day. Adenta, and the Denta people will tell you say for the past 2 weeks nsuo no aba be say once per.
Okay, entino odi we ni hwem say sia obetumi hu say omampeni say sia na on tena se ma wo no umban Flagstaff House and be kan share no de o person be kan share no otumi hu say o tu hu anamo ono nka say esimu ekọ bebe o say okọ hwe say na sitie for himself me no say sia no power crisis edrum pempen so bia sabi me hu ne say the country is going through a phase. Yes. Oh, say esubetwa. That is why I may use the word phase now. Esubetwa. Oh, share in Yama aban ede toto ho na. Utimi say eyadibia esubetwa. Until America say it's a phase now. Now, it's a phase if face or my say sia no. A DNA solution what should be yen attitude?
Mamemfa unko echi kakra ores na mi say ebinom susu say na nkanse say esi in the first place amongst our group no memeka ho and be very honest with you.
Okay.
Nyenti ameka say na say emre bi etwa mu na ye kan say akosombo ebewe no ekoya ma ewe ya mpa ma ye plunge yen into darkness into we beka say wasan ehunu biem once the clouds are forming no eche say nsu beto nti nkabra last year ye kan sa kosomu no start ya repe no se nanka ye be kra ba Jeffrey take nanka ya shase se nanka ye be ka ada tidal waves ani ya shase but se anye ni nyina ade abedu sa abre na fe na adekora na wasa nke na fe na yesen aye.
Yeah, so say badge in the sign and kick on the say and the short term and medium term kind of measures. Na time na AC biom no what were the measures? And you know, you see here in your film, and even when we are comparing time AC and in our AC, the measures that are being taken, and your measures are that about the next generation, one more better one now. It's a big yes. What you say?
It's a big yes.
Oh, it is a big yes. In the sense, it says, oh, share in your air cost any in your my signing to making sure say generation am I a power security in the future now? Because say yes. Now, in the short term, so no, we share the budgets now. Yeah, other says here na say a short term measure. No, it tells you clearly say the problem that we have no air generation problem.
Air generation problem.
Oh yes, I mean,
ebinum say you were enough.
No,
ebinum say ya no. Ye dodo a ehia no ye wo ho dada.
Yes,
but the ebekọ akoyi aba na ye ni say no so kura no, and I will join you there. You the all kind of kra no.
Yeah, who the all kind of crap? What you say? And may say, I will say one more. I will say, everybody say one more. Ebe catch ye at the potia higher no. Hey, one more fin no.
Midfield for no.
Yes, midfield for no. ECG.
Oh, what's this here?
ECG. Come out and tell us. At the quinta moon to me and distributing a year.
I'm also munya power.
Unya power.
Also munya power enough from my distribute.
VR and so back I say be a mama.
Akosombo
sorry. I'm say one of we no one be shut down because in so no one form. Then as a country, as a people though, you bisa your home. Say in so no area. You bit me your home there. In so no there area. In so no there since you anto in so no anyre. Ain't you know what are the measures? Ebia to say no beside na tete ye ho de. I know that in there no obe hu say more thermal plants baso no. I know tin na obe hu say more plants are say enko hia insu baso no. And you know in trying to resolve in that crisis no so no. At the same time no me say adia aban so ye ne say ebemban the future power security na ye bi nya no. Because having said say in that no crap on the enough on the national grid, you know. Dachi be no crap, no, but to me say, yam fat your home and share other forms of generation mu te say say na uhu na sisi ano in the near future no ka ebesan ebiom oh enti me gidi say what the president any aban sisi ano say doing their best to resolve the situation as it is now no and also no you be make sure say that you know you enough power security a say ebe ma we num so nya so ebetwa na me fa na cement ho no ka na
ka bemra ewunu aso na ka be hwe say honorable and asem no maybe some questions bebre na nka ebetima ya hu bibi in this course na say enhye da nya yi unu ase ade no yenye obi ma na nkyire mu papa nkyire yen over the weekend na me tie program be mo say oh say yi the megawatts requirements in the ye wokra abroso ye hia kra abroso but then enti ye hia abroso ye wo abroso ye na de na wo ho nti ayenya bi and one kasa me so say wo kwa wo constituents no mo kan bi kire one kasa ya out here unya bi nto len
think evidence o ko fada manom ni abeka La Paz no nyamichen ye doom light no all the time na de say Minion Horace no or ye NDC chairman or UK Ireland sanya ma ekoso Ghana e ya de anka tu aban ne dadaada he will confirm say we na esi wanka UK anka ban na gu anansesem no adoso dodo yemfa baby asem no dan into one enye an issue of conservation it's an issue of investment say aban na wo ya to abama on a certain pledge or manifesto so beba bebu man na magana akwa anim no ene da sumu o ka che say every ECG every Gridco and a VRA who are the owners of those state institutions when they owner enya buying companies so ye to abama NDC from 2009 Oma menya handing over notes. Ya Oma anya review of all the sectors and who what to do. Oma who say installed capacity na 2,800 megawatts. Say I do 1,200. Oma who say I will see A, B, C, D to increase the capacity from 2008 and then I reduce to about 1,200. And you need to almost see into abama. And the VRA, mo the VRA ka. They need an investment of about $1.2 billion. Crude oil or the power of plants, ebini ho, Gridco, ECG, obsolete equipment, near ewu. And anything here to Abama NDC for, not to tell our stories. And the manufacturing sector, or say kwame mo companies in Yuma or Moye. Diesel normally here, Juma. So I never say banana, and the Association of Ghana Industry. Manufacturing sector, last quarter of 2014, they grew by negative 8.8%. A better they expand the economy, no, I generate enough revenue. I created the jobs. I also a demand quality school near there. No, those are the issues. And then, obi a local store business, the frozen food, fish, welders, fitter for hairdressers. You be because of indecision of President Mahama and the NDC government. And so yeah, no more shifty blame no. Na ECG and Gridco and VRA. Millennium Challenger America for person.
No, we need the relevant stakeholders no.
But
who hold it we no. Government will take political decisions, but they will take scientific decisions.
Nyamiadum, oye lawyer ne. Who owns and why na sa nyumakoya okan eye ne dia? ECG a private company. Say a state company. Gridco why dia? Any government dia. VRA almost shareholders. Any government dia. So abina sa companies we nyina ne dia no. Or appoint ECG boss. Now say president appoint ECG new boss. Or appoint Gridco boss. Or appoint VRA boss. Orake Kofi. I didn't think I say Sankofoya. I didn't know more boards and no man jumano. They need investment from the government. to be able to expand and generate enough power. Government is not giving them the needed resources.
Government or
so because government on setting a priorities right, or setting a priorities right, or the sika beshe baby I say, I also or this share, na expand the economy no. So who could this sika now the share election mu? That's a deficit, 12 to 14% of GDP. Uber generate all the revenue because you have to go and pay interest and service your loans. Who no and yet the emphasis our institutions no. Nyamia boy president, no a vice president. And a nyankopon wabe president. Into our history no and the record to guide him as president to manage the affairs. More so was a young person with the energy and zeal. But record I hear there, yes, no, Ghanaians are not happy at all. We are just lucky as the people say ye penny na yankupon so share ni abotre. But near my cost no nkofo bosia or banks and the year juma she interest or mutua and now sankoto diesel added cost. Nkofo are suffocating, are sure my comfort. Inti eseno ye di yankupon this no. Kwa bi obefa so a Obenya sika edit badge 2 years ago no yenim say akosombo nere. What steps did government take? Energy experts are almost NDC mo boy chia ye da do so mo around 06. Almost President Kufuor kujina akosombo abompa amanso ato. But omo win election 08 no Sanagana ye nasumu. To date poor record in the energy sector led by President Mahama and the NDC government. They have no cause to give us any excuse, say, yen conserve energy. And then why yen conserve? Oko cement side, Dangote Esu, Diamond Cement Esu.
So what do you want to do? My only 2 minutes. But before then, no, what is my Mr. we say? Yet mean who says is an emergency situation, and that it requires your time bears abroad 1 week to stop say be cut sa we no problem within 1 week yet mean yes sir. And now this is the best we can do in this circumstance. 12 hours for ECG.
I call it the Bahama formula.
Okay. What the better? Because if it happens in the night, what the better?
Lotto number.
In Timfas will be any somehow. Then the next 24 hours, you are without power. Oh, you wouldn't say an emergency situation, a security situation. People have said it. And meaning so no one no talk drink or baby. Taste no different from the canina in so we share drink mineral and sparkle be a flat because you're freezer, defreezer, freezer.
Oh, yes.
That is what is happening.
Even the way I transported drinks, no, wouldn't city cream or crap, but the way we transport drinks, crap, any shops being crap over corner. I said, make a doom so the end. Actually, we want Shana Bontin as answer the coin inside and day with that effect. Now, because of the dooms on certain steps in Sukrapono, I buy a bit to one more Greek or ECG, 1 bit to 1 more, ebine load shedding now, one more timetable about it. Steps.
But I don't and solve she Oris.
No, at the end of the day, no.
Maybe my content say, 24 hours no start and then Monday. Sabri Horace, Nifi, into your so light no. Here.
And so Obisa
and
Obisa or no so no or
I'm talking about who
there be
24 hours.
I'm an individual. I'm just an
no, I'm talking about me use as an example.
No, me use the people. Oh, it's no so me area how says here no so na Kanya saw who says here me
12 hours no.
To me as ebinum so ha ho na wo mo pam wo tade ho na wo mo nua wo mo nduane e ho na wo mo ye bibia what you say and now me the person na honorable cause it's all about investment. Now to invest so no be a o share for that. Now o share abanya ebetwemu na me say obi biara and making sure say or invest it into that particular sector now more than the year who says here now.
Oh really?
Oh yes, you can't dispute that. What I say in Yama ACC says here under the President Mahama government now, in terms of investing, so they say that you know, in Yama say Nkosibi no, it's unprecedented. There's no two ways about that.
So how do you answer to Momo say the in fact the MPP now man investment be no? It's a
factor. No. So on the corner, your power. There was a time I just said, okay, the crisis now was resolved until the Indian power. Until the Indian power, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, they left us with power. What I said, okay, but may say, and I was making that argument the last time when we talk about investment, comparatively now, if the rate at which President Mahama and the NDC government invested in power generation. If that had been done before, which is what we should have now, no crap, maybe what we're going through now wouldn't have happened. Yeah. Oh yes. Don't forget to say when we also talk about investment, our honorable there was a time, even in President Mahama's era, he said, "Krapona obedi president 2 years, the sort of investment and the amount of megawatts Krapona is add on now compared to the last administration, LPP Kufuor administration. Because look,
but your answer will be
oh, certainly, because I can calculate that to you. If President Mahama 82 years and he's gotten up to about 600 megawatts onto the national grid, yeah. And
from where?
Oh, I mean, it's on record. It's on record.
You just mentioned
well, I don't have the record here, but certainly, what we have seen are Obaya T2, T3, all these installations. Yes, the account. We cannot say he's never added anything to the national grid. We don't know, even if you had it on paper, somebody else built it.
Who built it?
It wasn't the MPP.
But who built it?
Oh, it wasn't.
Okay, what about cement? The end of
what we are seeing are concrete way evidences say yes, we are adding to the national grid. Now,
could we?
Yeah.
Since the brand NDC ban, non committee here who said, I'm about to be a question about Copenhagen. NDC bit me who said there be infrastructure na MPP for no. In future, until let's do something now. That should have been in 2009. But when to me and who be they thought so everything was okay. The power now.
Infrastructure and how many megawatts crap no to me at the count.
And no question that Mama question is just that
I want us to even look at it as a national challenger, as a people, let's actually contribute to how we can be solving this problem.
Okay.
If we are talking about investment, power into making sure, say, in your power security, what is happening under President Mahama?
Okay, that point, what can happen there? Assembly Abekambiano, last week, me feel me honorable for some of the statement. Now he was now cast about solar. Said now, we call Germany. Most of the buildings no kura no mo install panel also ye we bebre wa ha me bisa senti ye ntimi nye no option no de upa obeka bibia fa ho but I'm just throwing it in.
I mean for last na minute I say nyame adomo chairman of Gapoha oka NDC ho vice chairman NDC awa abamu from 2009 to 2015 solar number ya nka ometima ye enya fe na ye bekeka solar na wind you have the opportunity to work enya fe number of fast solutions near there solve the issues anu na Ghana for here
but we also my investment
investment
near that esumu no Horace bacho tete okasa mankasa bi we down President Kufuor na $450 million or $650 million for 450 megawatts. Senyo no na ya anka moko commission no mo invite no so nko bu nko jamo. Ebia na President Mills invite no so meboa no N1 highway. Same thing happened. Yeko be first oil or takrade. Those are things that he did. T3 retrofitting of Akosombo to add additional 110 megawatt. Pong. Niama be even yekoji loan to dam some of the rivers, River Prane and Cobra, no near there. Say anka ebia small towns and communities no yebetima generating power. Ebia bibiti upper east, upper west, smaller regions no. Nanka ye generating nanka serve those regions. Mobile ma diverting loans no. You can go and check. You are a member of the NDC. Munko he baby asa scanning in ako. Tiki cement in there was see a can once because diamond cement, gasem, ene dangote omusu, omu ye be review omu energy omunya by another 30%. Ebuano be kosro. What are the effects? One, construction industry best of far. Rent charges. Omo esidan, omo eti abrochire, home loans, man crofo. Ni nyina be kosro. Mrante ne mabawa esisu epesi esidan. They will stop. Since I will check here, remittances a backroom has reduced because in Crawford is canaba. Intimi soon near my house, omo de ede ye. Obu oti abrochire, opeso osine dan bi, obeba ya to cement mu. He cannot plan. Grows so ultimate planning there is as useless as anything. Mini Horace watching a brochure or cut test could not cut in so one bottle. Only say £1.20 p.
Only because that's trouble.
Because
it wasn't £1.20p, maybe even the previous date.
But they are able to predict because there's system in inflationary trends no manageable and inflation is now over 15, 20, 19%. You cannot plan 17. Oh, there, okay. You cannot plan anything. We are in a serious situation. Chrono, Yahweh, Ebebo, and this is for big Corona. My
honorable yet mean country and Jose Sabu power said by end of February. Nadia yet to me said 12 hours quite say 24 no more about 12. Na 24 doom so. Sorry, 24 so. And 12 doom mum. Yes, I was saying,
Mr. Ye to Abama NDC for. So we manage every sector of the economy. You ain't mean now and take pride say and they daka near 24 hours near doom 12 hours. It's unacceptable. It's not unacceptable. Well, because also multi-media President Mahama formula where they are so 12-24, 24-12. It's not acceptable.
1224.
Formula. It's a lotto number.
Okay. Yeah, Pona we say TK. About 3 years ni apply for immigration. Ebi si sabre so mbefa yo yehu. Okay. So you nyehu anu ntino bi dia de buy no. TK catch honorable yabo amase conservation in the sabre di ehia pa na mom sabre na yesisi adan e de glass atwa ho ahia no. Eno so ka ho bi ntina ama electricity no air cost no nti osi yenya open windows yenya fresh air yenya more light na yenya dan na ye kaka ho asem no osi aban oni hwe obetumi aye mpa na wose ye gbo na nsuru ntongu koso monum because we ni ho aban ebetumi aye now baby jet ye dinatama dinatama ma ne ma me kura bi kan no nti osi ne ma me ka kire ne se penalty ne mu wontubi ti wuti de maame asem ti wo se Ghana fo yenya saade na player go kitu abi wantimi ansha na yedidi na chi saade yenya saade no abrewa inside bubu asitike catch President Mahama say or say NDC power is nothing without control and they should remember 2016 is just around the corner. Ghana for kasapa many lots of text messages about health program now here, you know. Said na your guest na will be no can say more of the Muslim communities no, rather than it should be northern communities no. The Baucho say correcting my sign are corrective not necessarily Muslim communities. It is ana etie. For the more is not going to help, so Ghanaians should be patient. Frank do the one I do we say bye no. UTV, I really like your show. You guys make United love. Then okay, right, fine. I hope and pray. I know honorable Abu next time I mean who's me and white to say no. Nanka see a fade doom sono. eko amana ka so nko a ka be ye ni je pa
Sada no eba.
How soon?
Very soon.
Which of the soons?
The very soon.
You Ghana almost one-time health insurance.
Oh,
you about to do more.
Soon. And you enjoy your doom so wherever you are. Men say me tunta de besa ne o ne ni hia nyina metroye because minim se mensa kan ni ade mensa be kan biem na ye hwe kwan ye be fa so na mum no ye be sra ban se nka ne dakoro ban nyi dakoro nsi ho no nya reflections hwe se bibi ni ho a ye betimi aye na nka in a week's time na sa de ye ni ho biem. I think we should be able to do that. Always me das honorable so se den yo e da mu nyina so as o kina nyame aduma ye be san share biem.